In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about getting the best deals while shopping on Shein in 2025. If you're an avid online shopper looking to save some money without compromising on style, then this is for you. Let's dive right in. First up, let's head over to Shein's website. It's your go-to destination for trendy, budget-friendly fashion. Once you're there, start by browsing through the vast collection of items. Shein offers a wide variety, ensuring there's something for everyone's taste. Whether you're looking for casual, formal, or party wear, the options are endless. Next, once you've found an item that catches your eye, it's crucial to read the reviews carefully. Customer reviews can provide invaluable insights. You'll find real-life photos that can help you assess the fit and color, which can sometimes differ from the online images. Pay attention to comments about the fabric's feel. Details about whether it's thin, soft, itchy, or see-through can save you from disappointment. Moreover, understanding quality versus price expectations is key, as some items are great value while others might not live up to your hopes. When you're ready to make a purchase, order wisely. Take a close look at the material details listed for each product. This will help you understand what you're buying and prevent surprises when your package arrives. If you're unsure about sizing, check for detailed size charts usually found on the product page. One fantastic way to maximize your savings is by exploring the sales sections. Keep an eye out for flash deals or clearance items, where you can score significant discounts. These sections are updated regularly, so it's a good idea to check them often for the best deals. Moreover, make full use of discounts, promo codes, and rewards. New Shein shoppers often receive a welcome offer with a discount ranging from 10 to 15%. Moreover, Shein's app, email newsletters, or coupon websites can provide additional coupons and flash deals. Stack these discounts whenever possible by applying site-wide coupons to sale items. Also, don't forget to earn points through reviewing purchases, which can be used for further discounts. For those willing to maintain multiple accounts, each new account can qualify for a new welcome discount. And finally, here's a clever strategy for the savvy shopper. Use your shopping cart and wish list to your advantage. By adding items to your cart and leaving them there for a few days, you might receive a coupon from Shein to encourage you to complete your purchase. Similarly, add items to your wish list to enable price drop notifications, ensuring you're always getting the best deal. That's all for today's tips on snagging the best deals on Shein in 2025. Follow these strategies and you're sure to enhance your online shopping experience, making it both smart and budget-friendly. Stay stylish and savvy.